days in California growing up. But I just haven't pulled the trigger myself yet. So maybe here in North Carolina, I can get it done. Thanks to our buddy Jon Miller for growing up here in the mountains of North Carolina. Now he's one man that knows his stuff. This bear and deer thing is his thing. So we've been trying for 2 years now for me to come up here and harvest a bear. So I'm hoping tonight we can get it done.
Hear that?
Pretty exciting. I can taste bear chili now. I think the back one is bigger. He's kind of at an angle. Ready?
He's down.
Is he down?
He's down.
Is he down? He's down. Wow, thank him.
You hit the button.
I hit my button.
You got so excited you pulled the bolt out.
Oh my gosh, did he just go down?
Good. Man, he didn't go far at all.
Wow, that was awesome. We're gonna put some bear in the freezer.
Let's go
CVA
ahead.
did the trick. I really enjoy this bear hunt. You know, I grew up in California, and bear hunting there, we hunted with dogs, and that was a whole nother experience, which that is very fun too. But I really enjoyed this. Getting to actually really see the bear and walking on the ground, not in a tree. Either way, it was great. Loved it. Oh, sorry. Man.
She broke his little Cascade end tonight very well. He ran a whole 20 yards, and I'm impressed. Now I'm gonna have to put one in my cabinet. No doubt about it, it's gonna be her new caliber.
Yeah, I didn't even know I shot a gun. I was like, what?
Oh yeah, they're sweet.
I mean,
Oh yeah, nice bear. Nice bear boy.
woo, baby.
You made the right choice, girl.
Look at that. Wow. What a hunt.
I told you.
Right on.
I told you it'd be a good. I had a good feeling. I told you I had a good
I had
feeling.
the best guide, I think, here in the state of North Carolina. A man who grew up in the mountains. Educator, deer, turkey, bear, you name it. Right here. The Jon Miller. We talked about this, what, 2 years ago, John?
Yeah, at the ATA show.
At the ATA show about 2 years ago, getting us set up, and man, it just, you've been feeding them, they've been on a pattern. It's just, I mean, this year just worked out.
You stay in the woods enough, you get lucky every now and then.
Drove us in, set us up. I mean, couldn't have been a more perfect, beautiful, beautiful afternoon hunt. And we got this bear before dark.
Came in early.
It was awesome. He's a beauty. Can't wait to see and taste him.